Hey guys, it's Himani. Welcome back to my channel. It's my first video of 2021 and I thought to make a styling one. Well, it's winter time and it's Shadi season. So today I'm going to show you some beautiful ways to style your sari for winters. Well, today's video is dedicated to my love for saris. All we Desi girls love wearing our Indian clothes, sari being my favorite, but come the chilly winters and we pack most of our ethnic wear somewhere in our closet. So I thought to give sari a styling twist for winters that will not only keep you warm but will also make you stand out this Shadi season. All the looks that I've created are completely practical, wearable, warm and very stylish. So I hope you enjoy watching this video and find it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you do. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below. Hit the bell notification button, very important. And yeah, let's get started. The easiest way to wear a sari in winters is to pair it with a turtleneck, black being the safest color. I'm wearing this black turtleneck sweater as blouse, which is really warm, tucked it in the petticoat, and now draping this gorgeous silk sari in the regular style. Let the open pallu fall beautifully from your shoulder. And I'm accessorizing with this very pretty pearl neck piece and earrings to make the look even more elegant. Also completing the look with black pumps, you can wear any heels you want. A tip to make saris even warmer in winters is to wear fleece or any woolen leggings under your petticoat. For look number 2, take the pallu and make nice thin pleats. Now put it on your shoulder like this. Bring it to the front from behind your neck and drape it around your neck like a scarf. And now throw on a long shrug or jacket on top. This changes the entire look and makes it very unique. Tie a belt to cinch your waistline. Accessorize with some nice earrings and you're all set with a very warm yet stylish winter outfit. For the next look, pleat the pallu again, this time in little broad pleats, and make it fall in the front like a gujju style drape. You can pin it to keep it in place. Now take a warm shawl. I'm taking this gorgeous maroon one and fold it lengthwise like this till the width is similar to that of pallu. Place it on your other shoulder, matching pallu's length from the front. From the back, take the shawl to the other side like this and tuck it in. Secure both the sides with a waist belt and complete the look with some nice chunky jewelry. I think this style looks very royal and is super warm. Now for the next shawl hack, first let's wear the sari as a lehenga. Take the sari and start draping it in pleats from one side. Make neat pleats like this all around your waist and this makes a beautiful lehenga skirt. You can even replace your regular petticoat with a can-can skirt for some more flair. Now take the shawl and tuck a corner on one side. Bring the other end to the front and drape it on your shoulder in a regular open pallu style. And we have this gorgeous, elegant sari lehenga outfit ready. For a different look, take off the shawl from your shoulder, make pleats and place it on the opposite shoulder to fall in front like this. Use a belt to cinch the waistline and to keep the shawl pallu in place. You can experiment with different sari, shawl and blouse combinations to create different looks. Now replace your underskirt or petticoat with a pair of dhoti pants. I'm also gonna team it up with this beautiful embroidered vest for a pop of color. And now we're gonna drape our sari on this. First, put aside some sari on your shoulder for pallu. And now pleat the rest of the sari. An important tip while wearing a pant style sari drape is to first tie a waist belt just above the pant's waistline and tuck the pleats in this belt instead of your pants, because tucking the pleats in your pants can make your loo trips a nightmare. Now take the pallu, make nice thin pleats and adjust on your shoulder. Add an oxidized neck piece, jhumkis and a pair of heels, and we have a super stylish and glam fusion look ready. For the next look, wear your petticoat again. Replace the turtleneck with a nice bralette or blouse and drape the sari in regular style. Tuck in the pleats, and now we're going to pair it with an ethnic jacket. Remove the pallu fabric from your shoulder and wear the jacket. I'm using this beautifully embroidered jacket for some ethnic vibes. Now pleat the pallu and adjust it on your shoulder to make it fall in the front. I'm accessorizing with these vibrant turquoise earrings to match the embroidery of the jacket. And yeah, we are done. Now, to give this look a little twist, fold the same pallu further to make it thinner and adjust on your neck like a dupatta. This makes the entire jacket visible and makes the outfit look very designer. Last but not the least, pair your sari with blazers for a super chic look. I'm buttoning up this well-tailored black blazer, pleating the pallu, and now draping it over the blazer. Add some nice earrings, pumps, and we're all set with a warm, simple yet polished fusion look. You can even replace the blazer with a warm coat if it's very cold. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you did. And do let me know in the comment section below which of these sari styles was your favorite. And please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit the bell notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also subscribe to my channel by clicking on my picture in this small circle over here. And yeah, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you later. Bye.